You won, man. We ready. Even you ain't ready. Summer's over. You did your little thing in these little tournaments. You still ain't ready for me. You're not ready, man. Your game you still ain't there, man. Like, I'm telling you, man. Whenever you ready, nephew, pull up on me, man. Put you in the box and take you outside. My jumper's still good, nigga. Black, what's up, nigga? Y'all niggas went to the gym today? Classic rap shit. I never been a freestyle nigga, bro. I do music, but I never been a freestyle nigga, bro. My brain don't work that fast. Oh, you ready now while I'm in the storm, right, nephew? Black. Didn't I scrape you up like 3 times, Black, man? And your man Corey, didn't I give both y'all the business in the gym? I gave you the business with slippers on, Black. Don't play with me. You heard I had a pair of Prestos on or some shit like that and gave you the business. And you like 6'4", Black. Stop playing with me. Show the view. You want to see the ring? It's gray as hell outside. Where your lady at, nigga? Why you ain't worried about where my lady at, nigga? Put the bread up, nephew. That's how you want to talk to your uncle, nephew? Put the bread up. I don't think Daddy-O gonna appreciate you talking to me like that, nephew. You heard? Ask your pops about me. I beat him on the court one day. You heard? Right across the street from your grandma's house in that broken down park, I gave him the business. You heard? Shout out to Daddy-O, free Daddy-O. Open my eyes. Why? Why do I need to open my eyes? I'm cooling right now. Yeah, bro. If you niggas is on the road driving now, bro, let me show you how it's looking, bro. You need to get off the road, bro. This shit ain't looking the clearest outside. This shit filling up like a soup bowl. Those are all people's backyard that y'all see. That all the water's about to start running into. A mandatory curfew? What time? If you're in Miami, they just said a mandatory curfew has been put in place. 8 o'clock this evening at 7 a.m. So you're outside right now. Get to where you gotta go, man. They ain't just telling you this shit for nothing, man. I know the news and the weather don't always be right, but this shit look like it's about to be right. So get out of Dodge, man. If you could get in a shelter right now, get to a shelter. If you can't, get somewhere safe, man, please. You heard? If you in your car and you ain't got no place to go, find you a nice garage and park your car up against the wall, man. That's the best. That's the next best thing, man. Them garages is concrete structures, man, and that's your best bet if you ain't got no place to go and you can't get out the storm, man. And if you are in the car, you heard? If you on foot and you can't go nowhere, man, run up in the precinct. Fuck all that. What they gonna do? Arrest you? They not gonna kick you out. Bet that. I take a charge to stay in safe grounds right now, man. But you know that's one of the safest bets, man. Run up in that motherfucking precinct, man, in that county, man. Tell them you need shelter, man. Word, because it's getting crazy out here. I'm about to take it back in and meet myself. They're getting a little too crazy on the motherfucker. Look, this is what we up against right now. I'm gonna give you a view of the ocean I was just showing y'all. Can't even see it no more. Crazy, right? Look at the fucking clouds, boy. Oh shit, it's getting thick out here. Look, shit is turning into soup down there. Man, that poor yacht right there, man. I don't know what to say, man. But you know the meaning of boat? If anybody know the meaning of boat, please school them. Boat means break out another 1,000. In his case, he gonna have to break out a few thousands. I mean, shit. I don't know if they got marinas that could fit them type of shit. The marinas might not just be safe anyway. Some people got the indoor marinas, but those can't really fit the big boats in there. We out here though. Like it get heavy and then it slow up. Then it get heavy and then it slow up. What's up, big blood? You know what? I'm on my marine time right now. You heard? Navy SEAL shit. You heard? Oh, you ain't know what boat mean? You must don't be on them boats, baby. No, I'm just playing with you. Yeah, that's the meaning of boat. Hey, bro, I got stuck here, man. It ain't how. I'm stuck. What the fuck you mean how? Nigga, I'm here. Ain't no how now. Word up, big blood. I'm tight, big blood. I was supposed to get back this week. I had a few meetings. I was trying to wrap up the fucking wasted talent, mix that down, start bombing on some motherfucking visuals, work on the VL4, mix that. Like, yo, we gotta, man. I'm thirsty right now to get back, but hey, timing is everything. I believe everything is a sign. Yeah, Wasted Talent is the name of my next project. It's a project because my album will be after that, but it's a hell of a project. You're gonna love it. This shit's confusing. Now it damn near stopped raining again. I don't know, man. Smoke something, nigga. I've been smoking for 48 hours straight, nigga. I'm high. That shit, the winds is pushing the water all crazy. At you niggas later, man. I appreciate y'all keeping company. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on in a little while.